Attaches to any tripod or monopod. Secondary safety system assures secure mounting of photographic equipment. Uses common Manfrotto quick release plates. Camera attaches and removes quickly. Universal 0.24-inch and 0.37-inch threads to maximize your compatibility. Add a quick release system to any tripod or monopod with this RC2 rapid connect adapter with 200PL-14 plate. A secondary safety system assures you secure mounting of your photographic equipment. This replaces the Manfrotto 3299. Attachment. 1/4 inch screw. Attachment, bottom, 3/8 inch female thread. Attachment 2, 1/4 inch female thread. Color, black. Material, aluminum. Plate type, 200PL-14. Quick release. Secondary safety system. Weight, 0.37 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. My 100mm binos are about 11 pounds and too heavy to handhold. I had used them on a sturdy tripod, but you can't see the highest part of the sky. I decided to make a parallelogram, but I needed a sturdy quick release to safely mount the binoculars. This quick release was exactly what I needed: low profile, very strong, an excellent lock, and easy to use. The binos have attached the quick release through a 5-post, so there's quite a bit of torque on the quick release as I look at the highest portion of the sky. Yet it remains rock solid through all night observing sessions. This works perfectly for my needs.